calling me.
How to properly set up the docking
Okay.
station.
So this is the display
Mm-hmm.
port, right? Start with a D, and then they should already in your monitor, okay? Inside your monitor when you open it. Now, when you set up the monitor, then I can open one and show you. Behind of the monitor, there's a kind of, the D, right? See, it's a D, see,
Mm-hmm.
right? Now, when you plug in the cable, make sure the icon, like D, right, facing here. Right?
Okay.
Because otherwise, how do we know it, right? So do like this, and then you plug in first. Okay, make sure it plugs, all right.
Okay.
So power, here, so same thing, right? It's a power cable, so okay.
Okay.
Now, so you do the same thing with the other second marker. All right. Now on the docking, behind the docking here, you find two video 1, video 2, and then this is actually the display port right here. This is HDMI, right? So what's the difference here? You can see like kind of D shape here, and this is kind of like not a D shape, right? So start with the first, like connection, plug in. Now you look at how the shape. If you put it in, it's good. If not, sometimes you wrong. Don't just plus it. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Yeah. See.
Perfect.
Now this, cable. Okay, you got two, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then power adapter, right? Go with the, the DC adapter. Plug it in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, this cable will connect to the laptop. Okay. So the blue one, you see, go with the blue right here, and you see how the shape, right? The shape has to go like this. See?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So basics. That's a basic for
Right.
right. So at home, you're probably using the Wi-Fi, so you don't need this. But because I want to use cable here, you see, I just plug in the cable. But at home, you're using Wi-Fi, you don't need this. Okay.
Okay. So skip that step if you have Wi-Fi.
That. If you want, you have a cable at home, you can use a cable if you want. All right, the next step is to get on the laptop, you will see there's a USB-C port, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it depends. You can also use this side if you like. See?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so connect the USB-C port on the docking to the USB-C port on the laptop.
Okay.
Okay. Now right now it is not showing because we need the power. Let me plug in the power here too. So I need to be started. I need to log in with my stuff. Yeah. But you will need to log in yours, okay?
Okay.
This is McAfee. This is, and then on the wireless keyboard and mouse, then I need to set up driver for you, right? The battery here.
Oh wow.
See, that's just one monitor, right? But,
oh, so we only did one monitor for now.
Yeah, you can do two. So the new keyboards and the mouse here, battery here, okay? Of course, make sure you turn on the switch after you put in the battery on.
Okay.
Yes, switch on the keyboard on and off.
Both of them need batteries?
Yes.
Okay.
Now what is it? Inside here. See, this is how you change in the battery. Just flip up, don't do it.
Let's go ahead and put the batteries in.
Yeah, this is the USB connect to receiver. Right.
That goes in the docking station or the laptop?
Docking station.
Okay.
Yeah, because you dock it, right? You want to actually, put in the back. Any USB, you know. Okay, so the battery just go this way. That's just down. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, and then switch on and off. Okay, input and output. Okay.
Okay.
Slide down.
Nice.
It's working, right?
So I'll be good to go.
Yeah, that's you know basically you see. So
Nice.
you do the same thing with the keyboard. Do you want me to put the battery in for you too, or?
Yes.